Okay, it is our day 2 here in Lapi, Sitio Natabatan. So, ngayong araw na ito, gusto ko lang po magbigay sa inyo ng value na ang buhay ay hindi talaga natin hawak. Pahiram lang ito sa atin, pahiram lang ito, kaya dapat mas marapatin natin na gamitin natin ng mas masinsinan po yung bawat oras na binibigay ng Panginoon. Alam nyo, hindi porket nasa insurance company ako, I will promote life insurance, health insurance, savings or investment. But at the end of the day, binigyan tayo ng Lord ng talino, ang bawat isa sa atin, to manage all our resources. It is written in Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future." Yung pangako ng Lord na yun, yung magandang future, ay meron tayong actions na kailangan gawin. We really need to do our very best. Na Lord, paano ba ako magkakaroon ng magandang future? Sabi nga, faith without action is dead. So it's very important for us na tayo bilang nagtatrabaho, breadwinners in the family, we really need to manage all our resources. Diba, wala naman ako nakitang yumaman na hindi marunong maghawak ng pera, hindi niya pinahalagahan yung bawat sentimo na kinikita niya. Same true sa buhay po natin. God is giving us the work, the opportunity to work, magkaroon ng magandang trabaho, and at the end of the day, we really need to manage our resources. Ano yun? Ang sahod natin. So, hindi lahat ng oras ay gagastusin natin yung pera natin. Kailangan may proper allocation. Unang-una, needs. Kailangan mo, importante yan. Hindi dapat yan nawawala sa budgeting mo. Ako bilang Kristiyano, naniniwala ako sa ano ng tithes and offering. Pero it's up to you. Hindi ko naman po ipipilit. And yung pangatlo is kailangan meron po tayong tinatabi na savings and emergency. So at the end of the day, we are the breadwinners in the family. We really need to protect our income. So this is where insurance comes in. So meron talagang tinakdang oras para sa bawat isa sa atin. Ako mismo hindi ko alam kung kailan, pero alam ko darating. Ngayon, the bottom line is, bilang isang breadwinner, ano nga ba dapat tong kailangan kong gawin? Unang-una, kung ang pamilya ko nakadepende sa akin, I really need to protect my income in the form of life insurance. Imagine this, meron ako mga kids, for example, nag-aaral, maliliit pa lang sila, 5 years old, 7 years old, and 10 years old. Based on study, you really need life insurance until the time na hindi pa sila nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Why? Hindi sila capable to earn money eh. So really, you really need insurance, lalong-lalo na pag hindi nakapagtapos pa yung mga anak mo sa pag-aaral. Kasi pwedeng maraming mangyari sa duration na nagpapaaral ka. At marami akong nakilala, and di na tayo lalayo. Ako, 4 years old pa lang ako nung nawala ang aking nanay. Imagine that, kung paano yung sakripisyong ginawa ko para lang makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Kaya kung ikaw ay isang breadwinner, you really need to do your very best to ensure yourself. It's not for you, but it's for your family. If you really love them, please secure your income in the form of life insurance. If you are interested to know more about life insurance, just PM me, message mo lang po ako, huwag kang mahiyang magtanong. Dahil nandito ako hanggang tumulong sa iyo. Okay? Always keep in mind, manage well your resources and be wise in handling your money.